In this video, I'll show you exactly how to trade Pi on OKX. First, open the OKX app. Once you are in, tap on Assets at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Transfer. At the top, make sure it says Funding and at the bottom, Trading. If your Pi tokens are in the funding section, you'll need to move them to the trading section because only tokens in trading can be sold. Now, tap on Assets section, and here search for Pi, select it, and instead of USDT, choose the amount you want to transfer. Or just tap Maximum to move everything. Hit Confirm to complete the transfer. Once your Pi tokens are in trading, tap Trade at the bottom. If you see another trading pair at the top left corner, simply tap it and search for PI/USDT. Once you type it, then select it from the results. Once you select it, then make sure Sell TA is selected. Then you have to tap on this option. And then from there, choose Market Order. Now, here set the percentage to 100% by sliding it to the right. And tap Sell Pi option that is in the red color. Your Pi coins will be sold instantly at the current market price, and you'll see the USDT appear in your account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.